What is up, Red Getters? Right now, recording on the GoPro. So this is gonna be the next camera I'm gonna be using. So tell me what you guys think about the quality and all that. Right now, we're going to Stripes. We're going to McAllen, guys. We're gonna go to a car meet. We're going to a car meet. Right now, we're getting gas. Look, sure, you know? They always know when we're out here. They always know when we're out here. Let's go. Just got the truck washed. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. Hey, if anybody knows what's going on right here, I don't know what's going on. I do not know what's going on. Anybody knows about these old trucks? They got 2 tanks. You know, this one I usually have full, but just right now I just parked myself and it just started fucking spitting out. Like, what the fuck? What does that mean? This is the fit for the car show. Here, you know.
If Pyros and Crips all got along, they probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear God, 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 God.
a chain, diamond ring, I'm wearing, start clothes, you might swing it with the wag.
How you talk when you talk about me? Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These niggas put money on my head, dog. Get your beef for motherfucker, I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt. That ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I ride.
Another video right there, right here. Look at that. Damn. Look at the pictures on Instagram. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. Catch y'all later.